It is May the 10th, 2018, and we are looking at the price chart for Maidsafe coin versus Bitcoin. And we're looking at it in about a 4-month view here from December of 2017, the run up to January, top formation, a downtrend. And now we have a larger, if we could call this a number 1 point, a number 2 point, and a number 3 point, there's a large number 1, 2, 3 bottom formation shaping up. But we could also see this area here as a small 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. And we can also call this range now from March 23rd, March 24th to April 20th. And to today, we could call this a 1, 2, 3 bottom formation in the works. And if we zoom out and look at the 12-hour charts, the 12-hour bars, let's zoom back and look at the 1-day bars. We can see here that this is a larger 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. Nice to have a small 1, 2, 3 bottom shaping up here at the tail end of it, as Bitcoin seems to be gaining strength and there's confidence coming back into all the cryptocurrencies. But also to see this bottom formation at the same time that this project is actually finally getting nearer to launch, there could be a time where we see prices bounce off this 5-year low and start to really surge up from here in this market. I've always been a fan of this market, and I held it against the chart patterns here as prices dropped. But we are where we are now, and what I want to do is zoom in and compare my trading versus my predictions versus my trading system so that I can be making all three of them better. What I've been doing is talking about the simple trading plan, which is really simple. It's the breach of a recent downtrend, a 1, 2, 3 bottom formation breakout, and then the crossover of the 3-month exponential moving average with a 60 and 20-day period. So we can see this smooths out the entry to a pretty nice spot. And my studies are now, is this crossover a valid exit? Or, since I have now entered into a 1, 2, 3 bottom formation, let me clear all this stuff off. We have this range here, which also coincides with the 1, 2, 3 bottom formation within it. Now we have a larger 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. So here we can see our buy signal. And where should our exit signal be? If we're trading this larger 1, 2, 3 bottom formation, and we're keeping in mind the really long-term view as to how big this formation is, then let me go back to the 3-month. Then from this view, in our entry signal here, we should have our stop loss down below this historical low. We should put on a small enough position that we could leave our stop loss way down below the market. So if I was to draw that out, say in a red color, I would say our stop loss would be below the panic lows down in here. So theoretically, the position should be small enough that this stop loss is not uncomfortable as an emergency get out. On the other hand, if this was a fake out breakout, then in the very earliest stages, one could abandon the trade if it doesn't prove you correct immediately. So you're protecting your butt with rule number 2, making the trade small and keeping your loss small enough. And you are immediately getting yourself out if it doesn't prove you correct out of this 1, 2, 3 bottom formation breakout, because the fake out breakout is so common out of this trading signal. So what stands now then is another buy signal would be coming into play here to add on to the signal, and it would fall under the same rules where it would have the stop loss quite a bit behind the market to allow for panic, a little bit of panic and manipulation, if you were, of the trading bots. So this 1, 2, 3 bottom formation, these buy signals are all part of my simple trading plan, and they only come around once in a while. If we look back in the last 5 years, there's only been 1, 2, 3, 4 circumstances where this trading plan actually bites in and can really make some great trades. So now the question is when to get out. When you're building this position and you're slowly adding on and you're keeping your stop losses following up along behind the market, where do you get out? That's what we'll be talking about in the next video. If you like this video analysis of Maidsafe coin, be sure to visit digitalcurrencytraders.com and sign up for our ongoing webinars.